Okay, this is the video tutorial on how to get this model of camera working. Right now it is not plugged in. I'm going to plug it in. This is what you want to do, the exact same thing. This is what's going to happen when it gets plugged in. The red light will come on, it's going to turn a little bit, and then it's going to beep. That's how you know your camera's ready to be set up. Now, if you haven't downloaded it already, there's an app called the 360 Eyes. It's off Google Play or the Apple Store, depending on what kind of phone you have. As you see, 360 Eyes. You're going to click on that. And you're going to, the plus sign up top, it means add device on the top right hand corner. You're going to click that. We're going wireless right now to connect to my Wi-Fi, and it connects 3 different ways. As you can see, AP mode is where it can connect to your hotspot off your phone, and wire mode is of course that you can connect with a cord. So we're going to go with wireless mode. That uses the internet at my house. Okay, now the red light is blinking. Alright, now the password is going to be your Wi-Fi password. You're not changing your password. You're not coming up with a new password. This is a problem that I've been running into, and I ran into it myself when I first did this. It is your current Wi-Fi password. The password that you have right now, that's the one that you're going to put in here, because this is what's going to hook your camera up. Okay, and another thing is these cameras, you cannot set these cameras up on 5G internet. You have to select the 2.4 only for a minute, because once you have your cameras hooked up on that, then you can put your phone back on the 5G. Okay, I'm on 2.4. There's my password. We're gonna wait. We're gonna hear a ding dong. I just heard it, and then there's a deal gonna come up. Camera ready. You're going to hear your camera say, camera ready, and a green light will be blinking. It will no longer be red. You're going to name it. Navigation picture, that's just another way to navigate and move your camera around. We're not going to do that right now. It's real simple to figure out. Here's the example cam, hooked up, ready to go. That was easy. You know what, I'm going to go back to my cameras, the ones that I have hooked up, and show you. When you go to the right, you just swipe the screen, and it's real easy. If you want to just move it just a little bit, just swipe just a little bit. Now, or if you want to swipe it all the way, you swipe the screen from the left to the right, and that pulls it to the left. There's my porch. So with this camera, I can see all the way down my porch with zoom, of course. This is 1080p high definition.